today we will be discussing about the animals world. The animals world. We all are familiar with animals. There are different classes of animals. Depending upon the size, animals can be very small, large, or of medium size. Also, depending upon where does they live, they are of different kinds of animals. So, different kinds of animal lives around us. We all are familiar. Can you give me the example of different kinds of animals? Okay, yes. Lion, tiger, another one, camel, giraffe, okay, mouse, the small one, very good. So now you all have had an idea what we are going to discuss. So let's start with the chapter. Different kinds of animal lives around us and animals have different shapes and size. जैसा हमने डिस्कस किया स्मॉल भी हैं और काफी बिग भी हैं. Some of them are big, some are small. Some animal lives in forest. Yes, जैसे हमने डिस्कस किया कि उनके जो homes हैं बहुत अलग-अलग होते हैं. Few animal lives in the forest and few animal lives in the houses. They are called wild. So the animals, those who live in the forest are called wild animals. Example of wild animals, students? Yeah, lion. Yes, so whosoever animal lives in the forest are called wild animal. For example, elephant, lion, tiger, rhinoceros, bear. Okay, yes, good. Moving ahead. And we can also find animals in a, we go to a special place to see different kinds of animal. That is zoo. Yes, we also, zoo is a place where animals are kept in a surrounding जो familiar होती है उनकी home place से. For example, in a zoo, lion को रखा जाता है by making a den, and then जो हमारे monkeys हैं, chimpanzees हैं, they live in a place where trees are made. Okay, and yes, there is a knowledge desk students. Who knows that the whale is the largest animal? Anyone? Yes, whale is not a, it's a fish, but it's the largest animal. So kindly remember, whenever asked, which is the largest animal? Whale is the largest animal. And now there are animals who are very small. For example, birds, insects, worms. They are very small and they are also comes under animals. And now the small animals also have four legs. You all have seen mouse, char pav, you know na? Okay, moving ahead. And as we said, there were animals जो forest में रहते हैं, wild animals. There are few animals who lives at home in our houses, and those animals are called domestic animals. Yes, हिंदी में we call them पालतू जानवर. And examples of domestic animals are cows, sheep, goat. Clear to all? Okay. Now comes to birds. There are various kinds of birds around us. Birds are of different colors, different sizes, and now birds can fly in the air. ऐसा क्या स्पेशल होता है बर्ड्स के अंदर कि वो फ्लाई करते हैं? In the birds, they can fly as well and they can walk and run. But there are few birds जो fly नहीं, and those are called flightless birds. And the example of those birds are one example. Yes, ostrich. Ostrich is a bird which cannot fly. And the question was, how does bird can fly? The birds में जो उनके जो front 2 फुट्स होते हैं वो किस में modify हो जाते हैं हमारे wings में. So with the help of those wings, the birds can fly. You can also see the birds have wings and the feather on their body, and the wings, the four legs which has modified into wings helps them to fly. So the two legs has already been modified into wings. दो legs तो wings बन गए हैं, जो बाकी के दो legs हैं वो उनको move करने में help करते हैं. And some birds like duck and swans, they have a special ability. They live in water and they can also swim like fishes. Please remember. And do you know again? Bird, yeah, the national bird. Which bird is our national bird? Okay, yes, peacock is our national bird. And now we have done wild animal, domestic animal, animals in the zoo, small animals. Now comes the insects, the very small animals. So as As it is written here, insects are very small animals, and the interesting facts about insect is they are very small, but they have six pairs of legs. They have six pairs of legs, and some insects also have wings. Grasshopper, mosquito, yes, and so with the help of those wings, they can also fly. And then comes animals which who lives in water. Everyone knows fishes. अभी हमने ऊपर read किया एग्जाम उसमें did you know में that the whale is the largest animal. So whale also comes under animal, and they can live on. They cannot. The special thing about the animals who lives in water is that they cannot live on land. Fishes cannot live on land. They can only swim and live inside the water. Octopus, turtle. But yeah, again, there are some animals who have a special ability that they can live in water